Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you're all well at home. This video is more of just a test video, just trying to see what the editor is like, just for the close-up coins, etc. on El's phone. Please do feel free to play along, let me know what it's like, as again, my phone does look like it is broken, and I might not be able to get my hands on a new one for a week or so. I'm going to try my best to keep some content going up there. If it's not as good as it used to be, I do apologise for the time being. And again, I probably won't be able to get back to all of the comments at the moment, just as again, it is Elle's phone. I don't want to take over. She is busy doing things in her own life as well. So again, I don't want to take over. I am going to try my best over the next week or so to speak to you all as much as possible. And again, get those videos up there. In this video, there's 5 close-ups of coins. All you need to do is comment their face values in the comment section below. It is on a loop. Unfortunately, I haven't numbered them 1 to 5. I haven't found out whereabouts that is, but I will try my best to get as good of videos out there as possible. I'll come back with the answers on Saturday, and again, good luck on trying to guess all 5 of these coins correctly. Have a blessed evening, stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.